It's 7 a.m. and we're in Glendale, Arizona, getting ready to ride on my recumbent trike. It's not even March yet, and the temperature is warming up pretty quickly, so I want to enjoy this getting out in the morning. I'm not going to be out there when it's nearly 90 degrees. I'll be back home in a couple of hours. Helmet on, lights on for safety, and making sure that I have fun. That's what I want to talk about today. Come on, let's ride. I'll show you what I'm looking at. In a long life, I've been injured many times, and I'd really rather not be injured again. It hurts, it takes time to heal, and keeps you from getting out and having fun. But that being said, I don't want to just be concerned about safety all the time and just stay home doing nothing. I want to get out there and have fun. I just love getting out in the morning, seeing the new day, celebrating the life I have. There are a lot of good people, doctors, nurses, physical therapists, who gave me this gift. And it's a gift I would never want to throw away, but I do want to enjoy it. That's what it's for. And I do worry. I make sure that I'm wearing my helmet, made sure that the brakes are all well adjusted, but mostly I need to relax and just enjoy. Balancing safety and fun hasn't come easy to me, and it gets more difficult. Every year I get older, and I learn more how dangerous things can be. And I know people who are absolutely paralyzed by fear. What if? There are a lot of what ifs and dangers that I know about now that I'm in my 60s that I had no idea even existed back when I was in my 20s. Yes, knowledge is power, but it also is a little bit worrisome where you think, well, what if somebody's brakes suddenly fail? Well, there's really nothing to be done about it, so why worry about it? I had to take dumb math back in school, and I took a class called probabilities, which taught me about odds, and that's actually been very good for me. My odds are pretty darn good. Never 100%, but better than average. Well, we're almost at McDonald's. I can see the sign for the Golden Arches, and I can almost smell the fresh brewed coffee. Getting out early in the morning is part of my safety measures, and if I have any doubt about whether somebody might run into me and can't see me, I just pull over to the side of the road and get out of the way. I have a lot of fun riding my recumbent trike, and it's a balance between fun and safety. And yes, it would be safer for me to be in a gym on a stationary bike, but I don't want to do that. I like being out here. Thanks for riding along with me. See you next time.